The art of glassmaking is one of the oldest crafts in human history. Over the centuries, glass has become an indispensable part of everyday life, from items such as cups, vases, windows, to exquisite works of art displayed in museums. Glassmaking is not merely a manufacturing job, but also a creative journey full of artistry, where skilled craftsmen transform lifeless blocks of glass into dazzling masterpieces. To gain a deeper understanding of this work, we will go through the main stages of the glass production process, from selecting raw materials, melting, shaping, to the final finishing and creative steps. History and origins of glassmaking. Glassmaking originated around 3500 BCE in Mesopotamia, now Iraq, and Egypt. Initially, glass was used for small jewelry pieces or simple household items. Over time, glassmaking techniques became more sophisticated, with the advent of glass blowing in Rome during the 1st century BCE. From there, glass evolved into an important industry, spreading across Europe and Asia. Notably, Venice, Italy, during the Renaissance, became a world-renowned center for glassmaking. Craftsmen there developed many intricate techniques, creating glass products with complex patterns and flawless transparency. This craft gradually spread throughout Europe and strongly influenced other civilizations. Raw materials for glassmaking. The foundation of the glassmaking process begins with the selection of raw materials. The primary ingredient is silica sand, SiO2, which is mixed with soda ash, Na2CO3, to lower the melting point, and lime, CaO, to increase the durability of the final product. Other additives, such as metal oxides, are also included to impart distinctive colors to the glass. For example, copper oxide produces green, iron oxide gives a reddish-brown hue, and cobalt oxide creates a vibrant blue. Selecting and mixing these materials is no simple task. Each component must be measured precisely to ensure that the finished glass achieves the desired transparency, strength, and color. Traditional glass furnaces typically require extremely high temperatures, ranging from 1400 to 1600 degrees Celsius, to melt these ingredients into a homogeneous liquid mass of glass. The glass melting process. One of the most crucial steps in glassmaking is the melting process. In furnaces, sand and other ingredients are heated to extremely high temperatures for several hours until they melt into a smooth, viscous liquid mixture. The furnace temperature must be maintained consistently to prevent any negative impact on the glass structure. This process requires not only careful temperature control, but also a deep understanding of the properties of the raw materials. Once the glass reaches a fully liquid state, glassmakers use specialized tools to begin the shaping process. In this liquid state, glass is highly sensitive to external factors, and even a minor error in temperature or timing can ruin the entire production. Glass shaping techniques. There are various techniques used to shape glass, each resulting in products with distinct characteristics. Two of the most common and oldest techniques are glassblowing and glass pressing. Glassblowing is a technique that demands great skill and years of experience from the artisan. The craftsman gathers a portion of molten glass from the furnace using a long, hollow metal rod, then blows air into the rod to create glass bubbles. The size and shape of the product are adjusted by changing the force of the blow and rotating the blowpipe. While blowing, the artisan also uses various tools to cut, pull, and shape the glass as desired. Glass blowing not only requires precise control over the blowing force, but also demands an artistic sense to ensure the final product is both aesthetically pleasing and well-balanced in shape. Glass pressing. Unlike glass blowing, glass pressing involves pouring molten glass into pre-made molds, then pressing it with a machine or by hand to achieve the desired shape. This method is suitable for mass production of uniform products in terms of size and shape, such as glasses, cups, or kitchenware. Although glass pressing doesn't require as much skill as glass blowing, mold making and adjusting the pressing force are crucial factors to ensure high-quality products. Art and creativity in glassmaking. The work of glass artisans goes beyond merely producing functional items. It opens up an infinite space for creativity. Glass, with its transparency and malleability, is an ideal medium for artisans to express artistic ideas. Delicate vases, shimmering small sculptures, or intricate chandeliers, all are prime examples of the unceasing creativity found in the art of glassmaking. Glass artisans need not only technical skills, but also an artistic eye, patience, and a deep passion for their craft. Each piece of glass art tells a story, conveys a unique emotion, and reflects the artisan's desire to share something personal with the viewer. In today's age of industrialization and automation, the craft of handmade glassmaking faces many challenges. The advent of modern machinery allows for the mass production of glass at lower costs, making it difficult for handcrafted products to compete on price. However, this does not mean that traditional glassmaking is fading away. On the contrary, handcrafted glass items, known for their high artistic value, are increasingly sought after by those who appreciate uniqueness and sophistication. Furthermore, with technological advancements, modern glass artisans can incorporate new techniques into their craft, such as 3D printing, laser engraving, or combining glass with other materials to create groundbreaking designs. This fusion of tradition and innovation helps keep the art of glassmaking relevant and exciting in the contemporary world. The craft of glassmaking is a perfect blend of technique and art, tradition and modernity. Glass artisans have preserved a craft with a history spanning thousands of years while continuously innovating to adapt to the challenges of the new era. Each glass product is not merely a functional item, but a heartfelt and creative work of art by the artisan. The sustainability and growth of the glassmaking profession will depend on the ability to combine traditional techniques with modern technologies, as well as society's appreciation for the value of handcrafted products.